Planning a move in Randolph County, North Carolina? Whether you're relocating to Asheboro, Randleman, or nearby towns, moving can feel overwhelming, but with the right approach, it can be smooth and stress-free. Hi, this is Three Movers, and today we're sharing quick tips for a stress-free move in Randolph County. Scheduling your move in advance is essential. Randolph County neighborhoods can have busy streets and limited parking, so reserving your moving truck and crew early ensures a smooth and stress-free moving day. Use sturdy boxes, bubble wrap, and moving blankets, especially for fragile items. Clearly label each box by room. Smart packing protects your belongings and makes unloading faster and easier. Professional movers save time and reduce stress. They handle heavy furniture, navigate stairs and tight driveways safely, and ensure all your items arrive intact, making your move worry-free. Moving in Randolph County doesn't have to be stressful. With early planning, organized packing, and professional movers, your relocation can be smooth and worry-free. Visit threemovers.com/north-carolina/randolph-county/ for a free estimate and let experienced movers handle the heavy lifting.